Welcome to Wuppertal, just one of Promat's many workshops where we provide significant and specialized value-add services for our customers. We are manipulating our products to meet our customers' specific requirements. At Promat, we are proud of our expertise and the way our solutions make the world safer and more sustainable. This is what motivates us on a daily basis. Through our workshops, we bring this expertise closer than ever to the customer. We understand that one size does not fit all, which is why our services do not stop after the production of our materials. Our team of technical experts is ready to help our customers with designing customized solutions and generating product ideas for the future. Our workshop offers a wide range of services to our customers, including solution designing, extensive testing, cutting and reworking materials, as well as delivering the customized solutions that are essential to our customers' final applications. The fact that the products are sourced from us and customized by us ensure that our customers can bring their solutions to market faster and with greater confidence. By using Promat workshops, the machining and labor burden for our customers is lower. Moreover, the customer supply chain is simplified, as they get the final product delivered to where it needs to be. We can even assemble solutions for our customers, which don't only contain Promat products, but also components produced by our customers themselves or by their suppliers. As a result, our customers benefit from our full-service promise so that they can focus on their core competences.
By using Promat's workshop services, customers can rely on the high quality for which Promat stands. Customers know that they are getting what has been tested and certified.
By having Promat handle and cut the products, we eliminate waste on our customers' side, which saves them costs and improves their environmental impact. We also reduce scrap at our production sites by taking unsellable products, thereby supporting the eTech Group's broader sustainability ambitions.
The workshop services offered in Wuppertal cover a wide range of technologies and materials, including grinding, sawing, CNC machining, state-of-the-art gluing and intermesson stamping, as well as various hand manipulations.
Promat has built up a worldwide network of workshops that bring added value to our materials. We have workshops across Europe, as well as the US and Japan. The workshops are also specialized in different fields of expertise. As a result, we are able to provide bespoke solutions to our customers across many markets and deliver our final products quickly. These workshops can offer a wide range of value-add services for all Promat technologies, including our microporous products, calcium silicate boards and intumescent materials. Moreover, Promat can rely on a network of trusted partners who can answer any requirements currently not available in-house. Whatever your requirements are, Promat has you covered. Contact your local Promat team today and let's build a safe and sustainable world together.